This is called an Ellipta. The medicine in here is a really tiny powder. You were given this medicine as part of a way to help you breathe better and maybe not cough as much. Because you are the most important member of the team that's working to help you breathe better, I want to show you how to get the medicine from this Ellipta way down into your lungs so it can help you. The first thing I want you to do is to look here to see what number it's on. If the number is 0, it's out of medicine and you need to get another Ellipta. If the number is bigger than 0, then you're good to start. When it's time to take your medicine, hold the Ellipta with the colored part pointing up. Slide the cover down to open the device until it clicks like this. You should see a hole at the top of an area called the mouthpiece. Do not shake it because the powder will spill out. Now it's ready to use. Sit up nice and tall with your head straight. You don't want your head down while taking this because the medicine can't reach deep into your lungs if your head is down. I want you to hold the Ellipta with both hands like a hamburger away from your mouth. Now breathe out all the way like you're blowing out a candle. Be sure to never ever blow in this hole of the Ellipta because you'll blow the powder out. After you've blown all the air out of your lungs, keep your head up, put the Ellipta in your mouth, and close your lips around it like you would a straw. Be careful not to cover these holes with your lips or fingers. Take a fast, deep breath in through your mouth until you can't breathe in anymore like this. After you breathe in, take the Ellipta away from your mouth, close your lips and hold your breath as long as you can while blinking at least 3 to 4 times very slowly, up to 10 times, or counting to 10 in your head or on your fingers, but not out loud. When you can't hold your breath any longer, then breathe out. Close the Ellipta by sliding the cover back as far as it will go and make sure it clicks shut. If your instructions say to take another puff, start over and do everything again just like you did before. After you finish, swish water around in your mouth and then spit the water in the sink. Don't swallow it. This will help keep you from getting white stuff in your mouth, which is a fungus called thrush. And we don't want any fungus among us. Finally, it's important to keep the Ellipta in a dry place and don't ever put it in water.